I realized I forgot to show that I had done a couple types of announcements. I have just a regular announcement, and this is my video announcement, putting in my own video. I tried to do one of myself, but when I would go into ways of trying to like film myself, it always said I needed Flash and my computer wouldn't open it, and I tried it on a couple computers. Anyway, this was the next best thing. So we did a video on how to log into their state test website when we get there. Also within the modules, if we just go into one of them, let's go to the pages. We get some images. We go next. There's the information that they would need. There is the worksheet that we would do. It's not something that I really collect, it's just their notes. And then there is an assignment that I would collect on paper, so hopefully that was able to get everything else that needed to be on the rubric.